Give me 8 minutes. I'll show you 13 Amazon gadgets you didn't know existed, and at least 3 of them will change something about your daily routine by tomorrow. This is Gearhound. I'm Marcus. I hunt down the gadgets Amazon buries under 12 pages of the same old junk. No drop shipping garbage. Just 13 finds you haven't seen. For Etsy sellers, parents, pros, students, all of you. Links in the description. Hit subscribe. Let's get into it. Your desk looks fine until you actually try to grab a charging cable. Then it's a scavenger hunt behind the monitor, under the keyboard, tangled with 3 others. Sound familiar? Out of every desk accessory I looked at this week, this one keeps showing up. Meet the Anker magnetic cable clips. 5-pack. Fits cables up to 3.5 millimeters, lightning, USB-C, micro, all of them. Self-adhesive back sticks to wood, metal, marble, glass. Strong magnetic hold, cables don't slip out. Peel, stick, snap the cable in. Done. Over 3,000 reviews, 4.2 stars. Anker's known for one thing, building stuff that lasts. This right here, this ends the cable chaos for less than the price of 2 coffees. You've been there, standing in the kitchen, wrestling with a can of tomatoes, cutting your thumb on the lid, questioning every life choice that brought you to this exact moment. Meet the YUET automatic can opener. One-touch operation, press the button, walk away, come back to an open can. USB, rechargeable, no more dead batteries at the worst time. Smooth edge cutting technology, no sharp lids, no bleeding fingers. Works on any standard can size. Push the button, walk away. Come back. Reviews from arthritis patients, elderly parents, and busy home cooks all say the same thing. This is the kitchen tool that gets used every single day. Under 20 bucks. Zero effort, full independence. You're in a meeting, a class, a waiting room, your leg is bouncing, your pen is clicking, someone shoots you a look, and you think, I need something to do with my hands. Anything. Meet the ONO Roller Jr. Patented rolling mechanism, completely silent. ABS plastic body, built for daily abuse. Ergonomic sizing, designed for smaller hands, works for adults too. No moving parts to break, no batteries, just spin. Grab it, roll it, focus comes back. Over 1,000 people buy this a month. Teachers, students, office workers, anyone with anxious hands. Look, it's a piece of metal that spins. But it's the piece of metal that gets people through Zoom calls without losing their minds. Some rooms are cold, some rooms are hot, and your body picks the worst possible moments to decide which one it can't handle right now. Meet the MERTTURM portable fan. 3,600 milliamp hour battery, up to 11 hours of cooling on a single charge. 5-speed settings with LED display. You see exactly what level you're on. Foldable design, fits in a bag, a pocket, a purse, handheld or desk mode, unfold, turn it on, aim it at your face. Reviews from concert goers, festival kids, teachers stuck in classrooms without AC, all saying the same thing. This is the small purchase that turns a bad day around. 15 bucks. Charges over USB-C, silent enough to run during a meeting. Every gadget on your desk does one thing. Wireless charger charges, speaker plays music, alarm clock beeps. What if one thing did all 3 and looked like a retro PC while doing it? Meet the Divoom Ditoo. 16 by 16 pixel LED display, 15-watt Bluetooth speaker, 20 drivers, DSP tuned. Doubles as an alarm clock, timer, and reminder. App-controlled pixel art, draw your own animations, download from the Divoom community, display album art in real time. Set it up. Pick your animation. Let the desk speak for itself. This one caught my eye because it's the gadget that turns a boring workstation into something you actually want to sit at. Wakes you up with your favorite pixel character, plays music like a mid-tier bookshelf speaker, reminds you about that meeting you forgot, all in one retro cube. Quick question, drop it in the comments. If you had 50 bucks to spend on exactly one gadget from the first half of this video, which number are you grabbing? Tell me yours. I want to see how people are voting on this one. You've searched the same couch 3 times. Your keys are somewhere, or your remote, or your glasses, and you've officially entered the "Am I losing my mind" phase of the morning. Meet the Reyke Finder, RF signal, no Bluetooth, no app, no smartphone needed. 131 foot range, works through walls. 80 decibel alarm on the receiver tags. Built-in LED flashlight on the remote for finding things in the dark. 1 remote, 4 tags in the pack. Attach 1 to keys, wallet, remote, glasses case. Click the button, follow the sound, grab your stuff. This one earned its spot because it works when smartphone trackers don't, no charge phone required, no cloud subscription, no learning curve. Reviews from parents of teenagers and adult kids of aging parents are unanimous. Real talk, this is peace of mind for under $30. Your car looks fine until you drop a snack. Your keyboard looks clean until you tilt it sideways. Your couch cushions? Don't even go there. Meet the Baseus, a 5 handheld vacuum, 16,000 Pascal suction. That's flagship level power in something you can hold in one hand. 130 watt brushless motor, USB-C fast charge, full battery in 3 hours, 30 minutes of runtime. Dust air separation system, clean air out, dust stays trapped. Point, press, clean. Pet owners are buying this one in bulk. The reviews on cat and dog fur pickup are wild. But even without pets, this one lives in the car, the office, the kitchen drawer. Real talk, when your regular vacuum is too much and a wipe isn't enough, this fills the gap perfectly. If you saw the D2 at number 5 and thought, cool, but too much, this is for you. Meet the Divoom Timebox-Evo, 1.6 by 1.6 pixel LED display, 6 watt stereo speaker with DSP tuning, alarm clock, calendar, reminder, sleep, sound machine, all in a cube that fits in your palm. App-controlled pixel art and animations. Set the alarm, pick your wake-up animation, sleep to rain sounds. Under $50, half the price of the D2. Same Divoom ecosystem, same community-built animations, same retro vibe. This one caught my eye because it's the gadget most people should actually start with. Perfect first Divoom, perfect gift for the pixel art curious. Furniture from IKEA, battery covers on toys, that one loose cabinet hinge that's been mocking you for a month. Manual screwdrivers get old fast. Meet the Fanttik S2 Pro. 7 torque settings, 0.5 to 6 Newton meters. From delicate electronics to serious furniture. 20 magnetic bits included. 1/4 inch hex adapter. 90-degree angle attachment for tight corners no other screwdriver can reach. Compact rechargeable body, fits in a drawer, not a toolbox. Pick the bit, set the torque, squeeze the trigger. The 90-degree attachment is what people keep coming back to in reviews. It fixes stuff no other tool can touch. Small furniture assemblers, DIY renters, dads with weekend projects, this one shows up on all their lists. Real talk, this ends the I need to borrow a drill problem forever. Apple users know the drill. iPhone charger here, watch charger there, AirPods case somewhere, 3 cables, 3 plugs, 1 messy nightstand. Meet the iVANKY 4-in-1. MagSafe wireless charging for iPhone, 15 watts. Apple Watch charging pad, AirPods dock. Built-in nightlight, soft ambient glow, no bright screen at 3 a.m. 22.5 watt total output, charges all 3 devices simultaneously. Drop the phone, snap the watch. Drop the AirPods, everything's charging. Amazon's choice with over 100 monthly buyers. Reviews say the nightlight alone justifies the purchase for anyone who wakes up at night. This one caught my eye because it turns 3 cables into 0 and adds a feature nobody asked for but everyone ends up loving. Almost done. Save your strongest reaction for the last 2. Both hit different. You hear a car pull into the driveway at 2 a.m., or you don't hear it, and that's actually worse. You have no idea who's out there, when they arrived or when they left. Meet the HTZSAFE driveway alarm. Half-mile wireless range, 2,600 feet from sensor to receiver. Weatherproof outdoor sensor, works from -30 to 65 Celsius. 2 sensitivity modes, near or far detection. 4 volume levels, 35 melody options. Expandable system, add up to 32 sensors. For total property coverage. Mount the sensor. Plug in the receiver. Sleep better. Over 4,000 reviews. 4.4 stars. Rural homeowners, ranchers, business owners with parking lots, parents of teenagers with cars, all buying this for the same reason. Real talk, this is home security that doesn't require Wi-Fi, subscription, or a monthly bill. Sit with this one for a second. Meet the Oura Ring. 50+ health metrics tracked continuously. Heart rate, HRV, body temperature, blood oxygen, respiratory rate, daily readiness score, sleep analysis with stage breakdown, fingertip sensors, more accurate than wrist-based readings by a wide margin. Titanium body, water resistant to 100 meters, battery lasts up to 7 days. Slide it on, live your life, wake up to your data. Over 5.5 million rings sold worldwide. Reviews from CEOs, professional athletes, biohackers, and everyday people trying to sleep better. Same story every time. This is the wearable that finally answered the question, why do I feel tired? It's the gadget that turns your body into a dashboard you can actually read. We're finishing this list with something that doesn't just belong on a desk, it takes over the whole room. Meet the WZATCO Yuva Go. 1080p native resolution, 4K supported, Android 13 built in, Netflix, Prime, YouTube, All your apps run directly on the projector. 9,000 lumen brightness, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, HDMI-ARC audio out. Rotating body with 4D keystone. Project on the wall, project on the ceiling, project sideways. Screen mirroring from any device. Point it at a wall. Pick a movie. Watch a 100-inch screen appear. Man. This is the gadget that replaces a TV, a smart hub, and half your streaming setup in something the size of a shoebox. Here's why this closes the video. Everything we covered today makes your desk, your kitchen, your day better in small ways. But this one changes what your living room does at night. That's a different level. The best gadgets aren't the ones that do one thing well. They're the ones that make you rethink what a room is even for. 13 gadgets. Every link in the description. Tell me in the comments which one you're grabbing first. Not subscribed yet? Hit the button. See you in the next one.